honey?
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday?
It's my birthday.
It is. Where are we going?
We're going to Palm Springs. Yeah. Just for the night, but we're going to do the Aerial Tram and get some dinner up at the top of the mountain.
Stay at a totally retro hotel.
Oh yeah. Hang out at the pool and then come home. So it's going to be a great weekend. I can't wait. Especially spending it with you.
Love you.
Love you too. So we made it to our destination with a little time to spare. We're gonna go get checked in and show you guys the room when we get there.
So we finally made it to Del Marcos Hotel in Palm Springs, and it is super cute. Totally retro chic. Check it out.
So this is the Shag Room, I think is what it's called.
Yep, all the rooms have their own names. This is the Shag Room, which is right outside the pool. Happy hour starts in 45 minutes, according to the gentleman at check-in.
Still use keys instead of key cards.
They do. They still use keys. There's proof. Keys. And what I love, aside from the retro furniture, is the bathroom is totally adorable. Love the shower. Love all the little amenities, of course, that they share. But my favorite part is the clawfoot tub. OMG. I'm going to be using that one later on. Didn't you have a good birthday?
I did. I had a wonderful birthday.
What did we do?
We went to Palm Springs and we took the Aerial Tram up to the top. Idlewild, I think is what it is. We actually missed our first tram because they didn't tell us we had to be there at a certain time, just before 6. So we ended up jumping on the, I think it was a 6:20 tram.
Yep.
And yeah, it was super crowded in there, and it was hot. Oh man, it was hot. Until we started going up, and you could actually feel the change. And then we got up there, we got some dinner, which wasn't bad actually. It was pretty decent. Walked around a little bit, went to the observation deck, took some photos, and then waited in a line for, what was it, an hour?
1 hour.
To come back down. So that was fun. After that
But we had a good time coming down. We were all
did.
singing Journey.
That is true.
Believe.
I guess you can call him the conductor. Was playing music, which was really nice. And
It's like one giant karaoke show.
yeah, so that was cool. Oh, and it rotated, which was cool. If you've never been on it before, this was my first time. The whole floor of the tram rotates.
So you get a 360 view.
Yeah, and it does 2 rotations. So that was cool. And then yeah, and then we came down and we hit up the liquor store because I needed some water. It was very hot. I had to hydrate.
111 degrees.
Yeah, it was 111, but up on the top of the mountain it was like
72.
Yeah, 72. So we did that. Then we headed back to the hotel, which was super nice.
Shout out to Del Marco's Hotel.
Oh yeah, and
Totally retro chic 1950s.
we stayed in the shag room, and yeah, so we hit the pool up, put our trunks on. Well, I put my trunks on. Mary put her bathing suit on, and it was night, so we didn't really film any of it, but we headed out there.
Totally nice saltwater pool.
And we were out there for what, about half an hour, 45 minutes? And then we went in and went to sleep. So woke up this morning, had some breakfast. What was the place called?
I don't remember, but they were really good.
Central something.
Oh, Grand Central.
Grand Central.
They were really good.
Parking was a nightmare, but other than that, the food was really good. Very modernized.
Totally
Sure.
into the local artists,
Yeah.
hanging all the local artists' paintings.
And yeah, then we hit up Starbucks, and now we're on our way home. So yeah,
Had a good time.
I had a great time. Wonderful birthday. Definitely one for the books. And next weekend, stay tuned because we're going to do another night ride out in Johnson Valley, Lucerne Valley. And we'll be posting a video about that too. So, yay!
Oh, there's our exit. Home sweet home.